In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Outseek AI, an AI-powered lead generation platform that helps you discover potential customer across web. Instead of spending hours searching Reddit, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and other platforms manually, Outseek AI continuously scans these communities for conversation that matches your business. It identifies buying intent, filter out irrelevant content, and even it can help you craft personalized outreach messages. Whether you're a founder, freelancer, SaaS company, marketing agency, or sales team, this platform can save you countless hours by automating the prospecting process. So let's get started and setting up our account. So first of all, once you're on this Outseek website, I'll put link of this website in description box so you can directly visit on the Outseek website. And now all you need to do is just click on this start button and create your account. You can just click on this create new account button and create your account by filling out some basic details. If you already have an account, just click on this sign in button and you can create your account from here. I will just click on continue with Google and select your Google account from the list and you are done. That's how you can create your account. Now you can see I have created my account. Now it takes you through a quick onboarding process. The first thing it asks you for your company website. Here you need to enter your company website, then click on get started button. It will analyze your complete website. Now it can fetch all the details. You can see company name, target market is global, industry, you can see AI, it automatically select the industry, business summary, and if we scroll down you can see target audience to B to C or both B to C. And if we want to put revenue, so it's currently at 0, so I will put 0. And as you can see, it automatically listed down all the direct competitors as well. And if you want to add some extra competitors, you can just click on this button, enter the company name and website URL, and it will automatically fetch all the details. So I will remove this competitor as of now. And now you can see we have a continue button right here. We will just click on this continue button. And now you can see here, it says create a new workspace. Now we just need to give a name to our workspace. So I will just keep it default. And for workspace language, we will select English, and for the keyword language, it's same too. And work goal is to potential customers and buying intent. We have different work goal here. You can see competitor switching opportunities, market demand and content insights, brand reputation and customer issues, awareness, growth and topic amplification, or custom entry. So we will just go with potential customers and buying intent. Then we will just click on this continue button. Now let's see what it takes to the next step. Now you can see ready to launch. Review your AI generated strategy keywords below, toggle channels and deploy your radar. Whenever you are ready, define your strategy keywords. It automatically find the keyword for us with the help of AI, which is artificial intelligence, Web3 technology trends, AI model release, generative AI developments, and lot more. Now, if we see, it says where should we look for leads. We have lots of platforms available like Reddit, Blue Sky, Twitter, YouTube. If you want to disable some platform, you can disable it too. You can see everything is set up. You will arrive at this main dashboard. This is your command center where you can monitor everything happening inside your workspace. At top, you will see all the numbers such as total number of posts monitored, discovered leads, unlocked leads, and pending leads. As Outseek AI continues scanning different platforms, these numbers will update automatically and giving you a real-time overview of your lead generation performance. You will also find graphs that display your lead trends over time, and it will also show you how your campaigns are performing. This dashboard provides a quick snapshot of your entire pipeline without needing to jump between multiple tools. Now let's take a look at the keyword section. Here we have the keyword section. We will just click on this keyword section. This is where you can control exactly what Outseek is searching for. You can either manually enter your own keywords or use the built-in AI keyword generator to automatically suggest relevant keywords based on your business. Every keyword acts such as a search query that helps the AI discover conversation related to your product or service. You will also notice useful statistics here as well, such as how many times each keyword has been searched, triggered, how many leads it has generated, and its overall success rate. You can see validate actions, fetch triggers, source is manual. And if you want to AI to generate more, you can see click on this AI generate button and it can generate more keywords for you now. So I will just click on note now button, and if you want to add manually, you can do it too. If certain keywords are not performing well, you can disable them too with a single click. You can see just disable this for now and it will be disabled too. Now let's move on to the most powerful section of this platform, which is social leads. Whenever Outseek finds a conversation that matches your keyword, it's appear here. Instead of simply showing you a social media post, the platform analyzes the entire conversation using AI. It explains why the post is relevant, highlight the matches keywords, estimates the quality of opportunity, and even provides an AI-generated summary to help you understand the context within seconds. At bottom, you will find options like ignore, later, or act now. This eliminates hours of manual search and helps you respond while the conversation is still active. You can see here. So this is the currently matched keywords, AI deep insights, And if you want to act now, just click on this act now button, and you can see copy and reply. You can reply it too. You can see here it gives you the complete reply, and you can just drop a reply here. Now let's reply to more leads. Also at the time when you do replies, AI learns from your behavior. Like if you ignored some leads, AI will remember that you ignored, so it will not show you that kind of stuff. So now let me show you how it works. So you can see here we have this new lead here, how to scale your business AI automation. And so if you want to see the act now, it will take you to the website and you can reply it there. So I will just ignore this lead for now, and let's go to another one. And now we have this lead here. So let me just find some another. So you can see this was the lead. I think this should match perfectly. So I will just click on this act now button, and now you can see this is a reply. If you want to customize reply, you can just custom reply too, but this is the AI reply here. And now you can just see copy and reply button, and now you can see it will take you to the X post. And all we need to do is just paste the reply here, and I can just paste it and just reply it here. Now you can see I already replied. Now we have the Reddit lead as well, and let's say I will mark it later. And now we have the X post again, so I will just click on Act now and copy and reply, because I am currently doing on X, so that's why I'm choosing X. So this is the new post here. You can see I will just paste it right here and reply it, and now it will automatically refresh it for you. Now we have the YouTube lead too, because we have selected all the platforms, so it's giving leads out of that. Now I will just select later for now, later, because I'm currently on the X leads. But if you only want to find X leads, you can just enable the X platform. I have enabled all platform, but if you want to get only X leads, or you can say the Twitter leads, then you can just enable Twitters for now. And now you can see we have the next lead here. I will just click on Act Now button, copy and reply. You can read the reply here or customize it too, as I said. And now I will just reply it here, paste it, and I will just click on this reply button. Now we can just go back, and next lead is ready for us. Click on Act Now, copy and reply, and now we can just reply this post too. Let me just reply, give me a second here, and I will just reply it here. And now I will go back, and next we have next lead ready. Act Now, copy and reply, and you can read this, by the way. If you want to read all of this, you can read this too. And now I will just click on paste button here, because over the time AI learns from your behavior, how you respond to leads and which leads you ignore. Also, if you create your new account, you can try your first 50 leads for free. Yes, it's free to use the platform for first 50 leads. Then you can upgrade your plan. Now you can see we have a lot more leads here, so I'm just clicking on this later button. If you want to reply it, just click on Act Now and you can reply it so easily. Let me show you again one more lead here. So let me just find Twitter lead here. So by the way, you must enable the Twitter here if you only want the Twitter leads. I'll just click on copy and reply button, and I will just paste this final lead here and just paste it and just reply. Now that's all. You can see it's finding more leads, and if you want to see lead history, you can see the lead history completed, ignored, or if you want to find new leads, then we also have a social setting here. You can see the blacklisted records or the complete platform section here. Now, besides monitoring social conversions, we have the outreach leads section. You can see here, these features allow you to build highly targeted list of companies and decision makers using advanced search filters. Instead of browsing company databases manually, you can simply define exact type of prospect you are looking for. Now you can see like we have option job title, we have the departments, employee size, person, location, industry and keywords, company revenue and funding technologies, and all of that. And if you want to see unlock lead, you can see that too. And you can see we can just set filters, then we can find all the leads here. You will also notice a section called auto sequences, which is like coming soon. You can see this is marked as coming soon, but once this release, it will allow you to automate personalized follow-up emails and outreach campaign directly inside Outseek AI. Instead of manually sending reminders for follow-up email, you will be able to build automated sequences that keeps prospect engaged over time. This will make the platform even more powerful for scaling outbound leads. So overall, Outseek AI combines AI-powered social listing intelligence and keyword monitoring, advanced lead discovery, and personalized outreach into a single platform. Rather than wasting hours searching different websites for potential customers, you can let the AI continuously monitor millions of conversations, surface high quality opportunities, and help you reach prospect faster. If you're looking at a smart way to generate leads, monitor buying intent, and scale your outbound efforts, Outseek AI is definitely worth checking out. That's it for the video. You will find all the related documents and all the pricing plan in description box below. You can visit the Outseek website by just hitting the link in the description box below in the pinned comment. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.